Hi, good morning everyone. Myself Santosh Rajendra Gola. Today is 16th March 2022. Today's our topic is array list. In Java, array list it is a class uses a dynamic array for storing the elements, and it is like an array, but there is no size limit. We we can add or remove the elements anytime. So uh, it is much more flexible than the traditional array, and it is found in the Java util package. The array list in Java can be duplicate elements also, and it implements the list interface. So we can use all the methods of the list interface, and the array list maintains the insertion order internally, and it inherits the abstract list class and implements the list interface. In array list, manipulation is a little bit slower than the linked list in Java, because a lot of shifting needs to occur if any elements is removed from the array list. And the Java array list gets initialized by the size. The size is dynamic in the array list, which varies according to the elements getting added or removed from the list. There are some methods in this array list. First one is word add. In this index e element, it is used to insert the specified element at the specified position in the list. Second one is the boolean add. It is used to append the specified elements at the end of the list. And third one is the word clear. It is used to remove all the elements from this list. Fourth one is eGet. It is used to fetch the elements from the particular position of the list. And fifth one is protected word. It removes range into the, and it is used to remove the elements within the range. And sixth one is ESET. It is used to replace the specified element in the list and present at the specified position. Seventh one method is word trim to size. It is used to trim the capacity of this array list and instance to be the its current size. And eighth one is int size. It is used to return the number of elements present in the list. In order to create an array list, we need to create the an object of the array list class. And the array list class, it consists of various constructors, which allows the possible creation of the array list. And the following are the constructor available in this class. And array list, in this the constructor is used to build the empty array list. If we wish to create an empty array list with the number of an array, then it can be created as an array list. And array list collection, this constructor is used to build the an array list initialized with the elements from the collection. And suppose we wish to create an array list with an array which contains the array list equals to the new array list. And array list, this one is again one method in which this constructor is used to build an array list with initial capacity being specified. And suppose we wish to create an array list with the initial size is been m, and its array equals to new array list. Below are the some useful methods in this array list class which are used in Java. Thank you.